Stop wasting time on Nitro generators. They're just scams trying to hijack your account. If you want Nitro, there are real company sponsored ways to get in 2026. No hacks, no risk, just the official promotions most people miss. And let's dive in. Firstly, there's going to be an NVIDIA and Nitro collaboration, which you can see right here. And firstly, what you're going to want to do is open a new tab. And then when you open a new tab, all you need to do is search up NVIDIA download. When you download it, you'll be just brought to the NVIDIA section. I'm going to download it right now. Some people, it may not work. Some people it will work. And as you can see, for me, I do not have the specific driver, which is an NVIDIA one. But if you do, all you do is go to the app and then go to the redeem section where there's loads of videos on this. But I'm going to have a lot more videos and stuff like this, so don't worry. But there's also more promotions, so stick around to the video to the end, and there's loads of ways. So the next way is going to be uni dates. So if you're a university student or any student, just search up Discord Nitro and you can do it. Don't worry if you're not a university student, there's another way for you later. But you just activate the discount and then, yeah, you'll be brought to Discord. Even though it's simple, it doesn't mean you have to be done right here. Then you want to go to billing. And you want to make sure you have a payment method, obviously, as you cannot do the subscription without it. But when you go to subscriptions, you want to cancel that it renews every month. Because if it renews every month, you're just going to pay after, so there's no point. Another one is going to be the Meta X Discord Nitro promotion. This is a very, very, very good one. All you have to do is go to the Meta Horizon store, then search up Discord. When you go to Discord, you can just scroll down here and you can see for a limited time, you get 1 month of Nitro. All you do is just press get. And there's obviously some more, but these are the 5 that are up right now. And obviously you can just refresh the page over and over again and you'll be okay. Please subscribe.